Alright, I promised I was going to do a video on order block, but before I do a video on order block, I want you to understand FVG. The full meaning of FVG is fair value gap, or some people call it imbalance. So imbalance is, or what causes imbalance? It's caused by rapid movement in the market. Once if you can see the chart, you see a long candle. All those long candle they are called rapid movements. So that what causes fair value gap. It causes a gap. Fair value gap, from the name fair value gap. It causes a gap. There's a gap. So the market will have to come back to fill that gap. That's why sometimes you can be selling, and the market will be selling. Then later it just reverse, touch your stop loss, then continue selling. Why? Because there was a gap. It had to fill up before it continues selling. That's what fair value gap is. So let me show you my screen. How do you identify a fair value gap? Like now, this is a fair value gap here. This is a fair value gap here. Because how do I know it's fair value gap? Because there was a gap between this candle, the candle before this one, which is this, and the candle after, which is this. There was a gap. Look at the wick. All these things here, all these tiny lines, they are called wick or shadow. Look at the wick. Yeah, this one didn't have any wick. So there's a gap between here and here. So let me draw my box from here to this wick, you see. So this is the gap here. So the market has to come back here before it continues selling. Let me expand it. As you can see, the market was selling, it came back up, touched the gap here, tapped it, then it sold. Still came back again, touched it, then it sold. But sometimes that this fair value gap fails. So I'm going to show you how to trade the right one. How to trade the right one. So before you trade the right one, you have to know. Once you get to the box, you have to understand what's happening. Right? For me, I wouldn't have entered this trade. I wouldn't have entered because I still didn't see any reason to enter. Yes, that's gotten to my gap already, but I won't still enter because I must wait for confirmation. So how do you confirm? You must see a reversal pattern.